No matter how advanced you are in beatboxing, you will always need basics. It's super basic. So, if you're into beatboxing, you probably already know the big names like Collabs, D-Lo, Codfish, or anyone that's going on those crazy stages all the time. Maybe they are the inspiration why you want to beatbox, or maybe I am the inspiration why you want to beatbox. It doesn't matter who your inspiration is, it matters that you want to start beatboxing. No matter how complicated you want to go, no matter how many layers you want to equip to it, it doesn't really matter. You won't be able to get clean beats if you don't know the basics. When I hear the word basic, I think about 3 different things: kick drums, hi-hats, and snares. Those 3 are the most important part, and they're the fundamental part about every single beat that ever existed. Starting off at kick drums. Doing a kick drum isn't really difficult, but it does take some time to get used to it. So what you do is you say the letter B and you say the letter P at the same time, like B, B. Now all you have to do is remove the vocalization, so you have the... Of course it's not that strong, so you want to add some extra punch to it. So what you do is you basically put the pressure onto your lips, up on, very much on the front, and you go like... Just practice it, keep practicing it, do it like every so many minutes, every so many hours, or every so many days. It depends how long you learn it. Some people learn it really fast, some people take years. Well, not... Okay, it's a very basic sound, maybe like a week, but you get the point. Moving on, we have hi-hats, which is the most simple sound in all of beatbox. That's it. You just say the letter T without the E, and you have... Now, if you want to play around with it, you can add some extra breath to it. You can go... That makes it a bit more interesting. It makes it a bit more advanced as well. So definitely try it. Just practice it a few times and you'll be on your way in no time. Next up, I'm going to teach you guys how to learn the spit snare, which is... So a lot of people can do spit snares in different ways. Like I do it with a little air pocket. So what you basically do is you put a lot of pressure onto your lips. It's basically the same as... It's all the same. The thing is this, it's basically the same sound, but my lips are more trained and they can sustain more energy. They can hold it back longer. They can put more pressure onto it. The more pressure you have, the better your spit snare will be. So keep practicing it. It's just a process of work, and that's basically all you need to know. And now you can start constructing beats with it, like... Just learn a little bit about it. Rewatch the whole video if you have to, but I want you to learn. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. It's a pretty short video. This is my first tutorial I ever made. By the way, guys, I hate to interrupt the subject, but let me know in the comments what sound you want me to do next so I can teach you guys even more stuff. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. We are almost at 1.5k, which is crazy. We're at 1.5k.